Hey guys, thanks for coming back, and if you're new, thanks for coming. For those of you who are new, I'm Jessica, and I like to create videos that are based on anything beauty related. So that's makeup, fashion, hair, lifestyle, luxury, all of the above. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know it's been a long while. So much has been going on. I moved almost 3 months ago, so I just really honestly hadn't had time to really do anything as far as YouTube goes, and I honestly wasn't even sure if I wanted to continue. But I had some really fun things that I wanted to share with you guys. So today we are doing 2 Chanel unboxings, if you want to call them that. They're not really unboxings because I've actually already worn both of the items that I'm going to talk about, because as you guys know, I have no patience, and once I go and get something or receive something in the mail, I honestly just want to wear it immediately, and I can't hold on to it long enough to actually do an unboxing and show you guys like what my first impression is. But anyway, today I'm going to be kind of doing a show and tell on 2 different earrings that I got from Chanel. So if that's something that you're interested in seeing, then stay tuned. So guys, before we jump into the show and tell portion, I kind of wanted to tell you guys what I'm wearing. This is a top from Zara. These are some orange wide leg pants from Shein. They actually came in a set, and I got these last year, so not sure if they're still gonna have those. And then I'm actually trying out a new hair color. It's a little bit lighter than what I'm used to, but I think I'm liking it for now at least. I've been wearing it probably about a week now. If you guys want a review on that, let me know. I want to say I'll be happy to do it. I don't know if I'll find the time, but if you guys want to see a review on this hair, then I'd be happy to do that. Okay, so getting right into the show and tell portion, you guys, I ordered. Okay, so this is a long story. The first pair of earrings that I will talk about are in this box. And I initially saw these earrings, you guys, in November. November of 2020. It's now April. It's now April of 2021, right? So I first saw these earrings online in November, and then this is the other pair that I'll talk about next. But I first saw these on the website, and I called and I was like, hey, you know, I really want these, gave them the reference number and everything. And when I called on the phone, I was told that, you know, these earrings are no longer in production. We just don't have them anymore. So it's like, okay. So I went into the store, and just in the midst of conversation, I was like, let me just ask this representative, see if she'll know anything about them. And she's like, oh yeah, we're actually gonna get them back in. They were from a previous collection. I don't know which collection they were originally from, but they were included again in the spring summer 2021 collection. Someone correct me if I'm wrong. But yeah, so this was November, and she's like, yeah, we're gonna get these back in no later than January. So I'm like, oh, perfect. I can wait 2 months, no problem. Like, put me on the list. And she's like, you're the first person on the list. So I'm like, great. When January comes around, I will get them because I'm the first person on the list. And January comes. Like I've said before, guys, I don't have patience. So January comes, it's like I wait a week into January, and I'm texting like, hey, just checking to see if my earrings are in. And every time she's like, no, not yet. But literally I was checking back like every 2 weeks. And I was polite about it, but I'm just impatient, and I really wanted them. Like, I really wanted these so badly. So then February comes around, and I start seeing people like on social media with them. Like, so I'm like, wait, so they're available. Why don't I have them? You told me I'm the first person on the list. Like, what's going on? So at this point, I honestly feel like I was almost like, I don't know how I feel about Chanel at that point. That was how I felt, because if you guys watched my video on the Chanel boots, the Chanel winter boots, I felt like I was overcharged because the price online said $13.75, and then when I got home I looked at the receipt and I actually paid $1,400. Come to find out, the price actually increased between the time when I actually saw them on the website and when I went into the store to buy them. The price did increase, so that was legitimate. But at the time I was thinking like, okay, so do you guys like charge certain customers more? So, you know, of course I'm thinking like, do you guys just not want me to shop here? I don't understand what's happening. Anyway, so finally, April comes around, and the sales associate that I had been texting back and forth with texts me, and she's like, we finally got them in. You're not gonna believe what just came in. So when would you like to come pick them up? And I'm like, yeah. No, first she's like, do you want us to mail them to you? I'm like, no, don't even mail them to me. I will be there to pick them up. Like, so anyway, that's to make a long, well, I was gonna say to make a long story short, but I just told you the full story. That's how badly I wanted these, you guys. I waited for these since November when I first saw them. And honestly, a similar thing happened, as far as like what happened with my boots. A similar thing happened. So these were initially $675 when I saw them on the website in November. They were initially $675, but by the time they became available in April, they were $700. So that's how much I paid for them. You guys, I really love these, honestly. I will say that when I first got them, when I first opened up the box, I honestly thought they were going to be a little bigger. I did. So when I first saw them, I was like, they look kind of small. And then especially when I would see them like on social media, when I would see people wear them, I'm like, I thought that they were bigger. And so then when I actually put them on and took pictures in them myself, I noticed that in the pictures they looked bigger. So this is just the size. Honestly, now I know it's like the perfect size. I will also say these earrings, I honestly was initially not going to buy these. The reason why I wasn't going to buy these was because I had my eye on these. And then also, I mean, the Louis Vuitton earrings are everywhere at this point, and I just wanted to be different. I'm like, I don't, like, every person has those, let me not get them. But I felt like Chanel was playing with me. I really felt like they were playing with me. I'm like, it's been 4 months, what's going on? So finally, I think I got those in like, I don't know, probably January. Yeah, probably January. I'm like, November, December, January. You guys still haven't given them to me. So I just went and got those thinking that I was never gonna get these. And I'm so happy that I did. So I'm gonna try them on for you guys to show you how they look. To give you guys like, because I like to tell you guys likes and dislikes. I don't know that there's anything that I dislike about these, to be honest with you. I don't know that there's anything that I dislike. I mean, they're not heavy. They're heavy enough to know that you're wearing something, but they're not like overly heavy. Like, they kind of look like they might be, but they're not. So I love the color. I love the gold color. It's not like a champagne gold or anything, which I love. Oh my gosh, I love the detail. Like, I just feel like they would look so good with everything. You can wear it, like, can you imagine, like, if you wear your hair up, right? Like, when I had braids, these were perfect because you just wear your hair up and then have these. I don't know. These are definitely, the fact that I waited for these since November, I don't know that there's anything that I've wanted for that long that I haven't been able to get. I think that's kind of my frustration with Chanel, but I guess that's just the way that it is. My frustration is like, if you see something, it's literally, you can't just order it online. You like, whatever, that's a whole nother thing. But I really like them. I am really happy with them. You guys let me know if you have any questions about these that you want me to answer. But yeah, definitely if you find these anywhere, because apparently they're really hard to get. But what I was told, because after I was on the reserve list for the Chanel boutique, and I felt like, okay, it's been 3 months, you guys haven't given them to me. So I started calling around. So I put my name on the reserve list at one of the Chanel stores that is inside of I want to say inside of Neiman Marcus. I don't remember which one, but yeah. So what that person told me was that they are actually now going to be permanent. These earrings are going to be permanent. So I mean, that's good, right? If you really like them and if you don't get them this time around, you can, you know, get them next time around. Not sure if they're going to be increasing the price, but these I would 100% recommend. I just feel like you can dress these up, you can dress these down, kind of, right? It depends on what you consider dressing down. I mean, you can wear these casually, I think, if you're just going, like, what I mean by casually is, like, if you're just going out with your friends, like, to brunch or something like that, you could certainly wear these. These will look fine with jeans. And if you're going out, like, fancy dinner or an event of some sort, you can also wear them. So, perfect. I love them. Gold is my favorite color, and this is the perfect gold. So, I am 100% satisfied with these. Would I buy them again? Absolutely. Absolutely. Okay. I think that's all I wanted to tell you guys about those earrings. The next earrings, I believe they're part of the same collection, the spring summer 2021. I'll be honest with you guys, the only reason I bought these is because I just was tired of waiting for I shouldn't say the only reason, but the main reason why I ended up buying them when I did was because I was just so tired of waiting for the other earrings, even though they're nothing alike. I mean, these are really small, which I did want a small earring because I was just like, yeah, these are something that you can wear every day. What I don't like about these, you guys, is the color. So this is what Chanel is calling champagne gold. They don't look gold at all to me. They don't look gold at all to me. I mean, let's do a comparison, right? I mean, I know that champagne gold is not going to be the same as like gold, but these literally just look white to me. They look like they don't have any color. So this is gold. The color of this is gold, and this is the champagne gold. This just looks white. This literally looks white to me. So, I don't know. I'm not a fan of the champagne gold. I didn't know that initially. I'm like, oh, let's try it out. Because I do like the design. They're simple. You can wear these every day. We're not, you know, you can wear these every day when you don't want to draw too much attention to yourself, but you still, you know, you still want to wear earrings. These were $400. I love the design. I just don't like the color. I just wish that they were gold instead of champagne gold. That's all. But other than that, I like the size. I like that they can also go with everything. I don't know that I'd say that I would dress these up personally, just because it depends on your style. But for me, no, it doesn't look like it's dressed up because they're not going to stand out, in my opinion, because they're not gold. They're just like champagne gold, and not even rose gold, you know. So I've learned from this that I don't like champagne gold. Yeah, whatever. I'm gonna keep them because I mean I already have them, and yeah. So what else? What did I want to tell you guys about that? I told you the price. I kind of told you what I like about them. Definitely told you what I don't like. Would I buy these again? This exact pair, if I didn't already have them, would I buy them again? No. I would certainly buy them again if they were in gold, right? Like just the regular gold, not champagne gold. I would absolutely buy them. I think they're perfect, except for the color. So, but yeah, I like to be honest with you guys. Would I buy them again? I wouldn't. But that's just a personal preference because of the color. Trying to see, was there anything else I wanted to tell you guys? I don't think so. But I hope this information was helpful to you guys. Let me know if you guys have any questions or if there are any type of other reviews that you guys want me to do. There's so many things that I should have done unboxings on, but I just I want to wear my things as soon as I get them, and then like after it gets to a certain point, I'm just like, what's the point even? Like, what's the point of even doing a review? But if there is anything that you guys want me to talk about, I'm happy to hear your suggestions. And thanks again for tuning in, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thanks.